Hi everyone, welcome to Shake It Off Lamourify. Today I'm going to share with you spicy broccoli mushroom with macaroni. Let's see. Boil the broccoli, slice, stalks and macaroni for 10 minutes. Stir it well. And take it out the macaroni and leave the broccoli inside. Put the broccoli, boil it for 50 minutes. Make sure it's cooked and stir fry the ginger for 3 minutes. It's very fragrant, isn't it? The ginger. Add in the broccoli, sliced stalks, and stir it well. Stir for another 5 minutes. It's very fragrant. As you can see that it's very nice color. And we add in 5 sliced mushroom. Slice them thinly. Stir it well. As you can see that it's very fragrant. And add in the broccoli. Why I boil the broccoli? Because it will be softened. In my cooking, there's no added sugar and salt. One of my family members does not eat garlic. Stir fry for 15 minutes. You can see the color has changed, isn't it? Yeah, so stir fry it and make sure that it's well cooked. As you can see that it's very nice, colorful and fragrant. And later on in this video, at the end of the video, I have added in the condiments for the cooking. Let's see the video. Add in macaroni, 350 grams of macaroni inside. Stir it well. Stir them together for another 5 minutes. Why just now I boiled the broccoli and the macaroni together to soften them, and now you can see that they stir very well. Add some pepper inside. Okay, you can see it, and then add some soya sauce, 2 teaspoons. And then you can see that it's very fragrant. Add some garlic granules. You can use fresh garlic too, because they have strong smell and taste. Thus, as I said it before in this video, that one of my family members does not eat garlic because they have strong taste. Thereafter, stir them together for another 5 minutes. You can see that it's very colorful, isn't it? And the broccoli is softened this way so that it will not be too hard, to bite. Add in red chili. Cook it for another 5 minutes. It's cooked. Let's eat. You can see it's so colorful, isn't it? these are the condiments I use for this cooking.